One of the things that's exciting about being a professor at the University of Central Missouri is we get to make a difference to students each and every day that we work. Having taught for a number of years, I recognize that many students come into my class and they don't have a lot of conversations with individuals around them. And so one of the unique things I implemented in my Introduction to Kinesiology class is on the very first day, we focus on getting to know each other, but also uncovering a few of the misconceptions that happen among the classmates. And the way I do this is every student gets a question, and we line up across from each other, and they have to introduce themselves to the student across from them. They have to ask their question, get the answer, and then they are also provided a question to which they provide an answer. And then every about 20 to 30 seconds, we will move down so everybody gets an opportunity to hear all of the questions and provide an answer to all of them. And ultimately, what I ask them at the end of class is, what do we hear are the commonalities of belief? Are these misconceptions? Are they appropriate? I kind of teach it as a challenge. I want them to know themselves, and I want them to know why they are here. 3 or 4 years of your life is a chunk that you don't just use aimlessly. And so if a student's going to dedicate time to UCM and to kinesiology, I want them to know from the very beginning why they're here, what they're doing, what are the opportunities, and how can we at UCM prepare you to be a great professional. And so I take that class specifically to make sure that they have questions answered, they have career goals clarified, that when they come in, they might not know what they're doing, but when they exit, they have a better plan for their future. Kinesiology is really an umbrella term, and it's the study of human movement. Our field deals with people. And so when we're working with people, we have a chance to make them better. And that's something that many people find fulfillment within. We can make a difference. Anybody can show you a 4-year plan. Here's the classes that you take to get through an academic program, but you get to a sophomore or junior level year, and it's what resources can help me with my career development. Then as they kind of move toward graduation, it's the mentorship and the fine tuning of the skill sets as they have. They really kind of launch them into a successful career or an opportunity to be competitive for graduate programming. I think it's one thing to say that you care. I think it's another thing to show that you care. And it's even a different thing to show that you care all the time.